by the end of this video, you will be able to make money on Fiverr without any skill, just like me. I have a lot of accounts on Fiverr and I don't know how to do anything. For example, I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how, for example, like make a love story just like this one full of emotions. I don't know anything, okay? And they still make more money than people who actually do the thing, like who actually have skills. It's all about the marketing on Fiverr. Now, if you want to make money on Fiverr without any skill, then this video is for you. I'm going to explain to you how you can make money on Fiverr without any skill. Also, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can create a gig, and I'm going to explain to you guys every single thing, okay? Now, for example, let's just search, for example, on Fiverr, let's search, for example, for correct spelling, okay? Spelling, as you can see, and you will find a lot of people will say here, okay, I will correct your mistakes, for example, this one, I will correct your spelling, grammar mistakes and stuff like that, and the gig is $5, okay? So we are going to do the same thing. And if someone sends you a text after they purchase your gig, if they send you, for example, a long text, and they say that correct the mistakes, what you need to do, guys, you just want to copy that text and go to ChatGPT, okay? It's called ChatGPT, and create an account and just type here, for example, correct my mistakes, and that's it. And then add that text here. So I'm going to do an example, for example, okay? I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to copy his own text, okay? I'm going to copy to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT, here is a corrected version of your message, and ChatGPT will take care of everything. They will correct all the mistakes, as you can see. They will make this better than it was before. And after that, guys, even if the text is like 1,000 words or 3,000 words, ChatGPT will correct the mistakes, and there is no limit, okay? After that, you can then copy the text and send it to the buyer that has purchased the gig on your Fiverr. Now, you might say, okay, this is really I want to make more than $5. You can do this multiple times. For example, just search for love story, okay? And people want a love story, or for example, I will original love story or romance story. I will go to ChatGPT. Can you make a love story about my girlfriend, for example? Her name is Nora, for example, and ChatGPT will do this. Sure, here is a love story about your girlfriend Nora. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who has been a single for quite some time. He had almost given up on finding love until he met Nora. From the moment he met her, he knew there was something special about her. Nora was kind and intelligent and beautiful. She had a smile that could light up a room and laugh. So this is exactly, guys, how you can make this work, okay? Now, if you don't know, guys, how to make a gig, how to create a gig, for example, you don't even have to do love story. You can do other things, and ChatGPT will do everything for you, guys. It's very quick. And if you want to start this business, drop a like on this video, okay? Leave a like and watch the video in the screen. My friend will explain to you how you can do other methods on how you can make money. My friend make $100,000 a month on Fiverr. Just click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn from him too. So see you guys in the next video.